what that means, Madeline?
What?
Do you know what that means?
What?
Do you hear the water?
Spring!
Spring! Spring!
It's spring now!
Everything's melting. Isn't that beautiful?
Come on.
What is it?
It's water! Lucas thinks it's not funny. Now he
You
is.
think it's funny? Do you think that's funny, Lucas? That's a funny noise, isn't it?
Yeah. Let's go on now.
What's going on down there?
That's the street.
It's so pretty, isn't it? Yeah. Nature's so beautiful, isn't it? Look at the water. Whoa! Madeline. Wow,
I'm a caveman. I'm gonna get a beer!
Whoa. What is she doing, Lucas?
No, I'm red.
What do you think about that girl?
For the new movie.
Oh yeah, you sort of do look like Ray.
Wow. Oh. Sorry, this is a little too heavy. Return. Look, there's someone there. Stick.
What do you
I
see,
just
Lucas?
Oh, there's it right there.
You hear a doggy? Here.
Look around, Lucas. Can I tell you? Here?
Mm-hmm.
Well, we do it this. So we do 1, 2, 3. Hi, my name, and then say your name with Madeline. Like 1, 2, 3. My name and that. What?
That's pretty cool, isn't it?
What?
This.
Oh. Yeah.
Whoa.
Come on, let's go.
Wow. That's pretty cool. It fell down, huh?
Yeah.
May you rest in pieces, tree.
This tree fell down from... Whoa! Here. I got it. Bug! Oh, I didn't know that was gonna knock
You hear the
out.
water, Maddie?
Whoa, Mom, look! See?
Wow.
Come on, let's go. Wow! That's so beautiful.
More water. It's so beautiful.
I'm so good this stuff. Come! No! You're not coming now.
Here, look, the little man's, he's exploring.
Beautiful. Whoa.
Whoa. Whoa. I made it! Come on, Maddie. Get to the other side.
Fuzzball!
Good job.
Whoa.
You okay?
Yeah.
Careful. Do you need a hand? She's gonna do it, Lucas. She did it! Yay! Good job, Maddie.